High Point Market is one of the most important events for industry, technology, and business. We're here because this is a place where practical thinking and real solutions matter. We're showing what sets us apart, precision machines, proven technologies, and a partnership-based approach.
We are not slowing down. From Detroit to Montreal and now here. We were selected by the Polish government to attend the High Point Market in North Carolina. And now I would like to introduce Chris. He is the director of the Polish Trade and Investment Agency.
We are happy to host Otinus here in North Carolina for another edition of High Point Market. Polish Investment and Trade is always here to help, and Otinus is a company that is trustworthy in being able to expand successfully into the United States.
Our solutions are chosen by companies across industries and countries because quality, reliability, and quick support make the difference. Behind it all is a team of experts who know the machines inside out and know how to support the customer. Trade shows aren't just about displays, they're about conversations, shared experience, and building strong partnerships. Thank you for joining us. See you soon.
You won't find our machines in here, but you will find them at otinus.com.
Otinus, we serve you.